Hey everybody, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. On today's Xterra Talk, I'm going to be talking about some upgrades that I did to my stock lighting. I replaced my headlights and my fog lights, both with LEDs. And I know that that may raise some eyebrows for some of you if you're Xterra folks, or if you're just, off-roading folks at all. You've heard of folks running LED bulbs in non-projector housings, which I think we all have strong feelings about that. I'm going to kind of show you the ones that I picked. I'm going to kind of give you my feelings on them. I've never had anyone bright me or anything like that with them. I've had really good luck with them. They are significantly brighter than the stock headlights, the halogen bulbs that came in the truck. And again, when I've sort of had them on at night and pulled up to the garage and looked at them, the light cut seems to be pretty good. So I know that some of you have strong feelings. I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. So definitely post up below and let me know if you think, man, you should just never run LEDs in a non-projector housing. I totally get that. And if you guys follow the channel at all and you know me, you know that I try to do the best quality mods that I can while also keeping things as cheap as possible. So for me, it was just an LED bulb upgrade. Same with the fog lights. My fog lights are yellow, and I do that because I think that it kind of throws a little bit of contrast out there from the bright white bulbs and lets me see a little bit better down the bottom. I'll tell you a little bit more about that. I'll tell you about the modifications. I'll kind of go in depth and show you the bulbs themselves. Get ready to see more on that. I'm going to take you all the way around the fog lights and the headlights. I'm going to show you a little bit at dusk to kind of give you an idea of what they look like, and then we'll wrap this thing up. So thanks for stopping by and enjoy the video. You can probably see them a little bit back in there. But I tell you what, I feel like personally that the light cut on them is actually not too bad. The same with my fog lights. So my fog lights are also LED, but really, I haven't ever had anyone flash their brights at me. I've had other people drive my truck and I've been driving towards it at night, and it is not bad. So there are actually little fans built into the back of the light that run just off of the power coming in from to the headlights. Also, you can kind of hear the fan running on the lights. That's how much noise it makes. Which help them run at max efficiency, help them run cool, which they say leads to longer life. I've had these in my truck for about 2 years now, probably. Never had any problems with them. They run great. I've been through water crossings. I've been through all kinds of stuff. They still run great. They put out amazing light compared to the stock headlight bulbs that come in these things. And my fog lights actually illuminate yellow, but I like that they're white otherwise. So they're only yellow when you turn them on. And I did that for a couple reasons. I think that it gives a little bit better spread of light. Like, I think it gives you more relief and contrast. And I also, honestly, I just like the look. I've got yellow fog lights. So here's my Infinity back here. I've filmed the fog lights yellow on that. So, being a weirdo and a car guy, it's kind of nice just to have some parity between the two. So I like to have the yellow fogs on the truck and the yellow fogs on the car, just because that's my style, right? As far as install goes, obviously super easy. So here you can see the back of the fog lights. All you have to do is you turn this, the fog light pops out. That's the idea. So there's the fog light. And this is obviously a harness here, so you just push in on that little button, pop that little fog light right out, the OEM one, and replace it with this. So they are literally plug and play. I will put a link below in the description to the fog lights and the headlights if you're interested in buying them. Again, I've had them for a couple years on the truck, and they've been fantastic for me. They put out much better light than the OEM ones. They look better. Again, they're LED, so presumably they should run for a long time. So yeah, I highly recommend them. I think they're great. As for the headlights, installing the headlights is pretty easy too. You see this little white retaining clip here? If I can get to where I can zoom on it. You basically turn that, and then that pulls out and the headlight comes with it. Now I'm not going to take it all the way out because then I got to put it back in. But that's basically it. Once you get the harness plugged into that, put it back in there, turn the white retaining clip, and you're done. So this is literally a 5-minute job. Just wanted to take a really quick video of what the fog lights and the headlights look like when they're turned on. All right, guys, so that was it. Again, I hope that was helpful for you. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments about being an idiot for running LEDs in non-projector housings. That's fine. Light me up below if you want. Again, I haven't had any problems with them. I like them. I think that they're fine. I've had other people drive my truck while I was driving my wife's vehicle, and I didn't feel brighted at all or like they were anything out of the ordinary. There are definitely some vehicles where that seems really, really bad, but I think it kind of depends on your choice of LEDs, the warmth of the bulbs, all that stuff kind of goes into it, and I think that these are a really good mix. So again, there will be links in the description below to both the fog lights and the headlights. I hope that was helpful for you guys. I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of the sound that they make, the light output that they do, and kind of how to swap them out. It's actually really easy to swap your headlights and your fog lights. So hopefully that was helpful. If you're new to the channel and this is your first video you've ever watched of mine, I do Xterra content all the time. I do overlanding and camping gear reviews every week, and I also do a podcast related to just anything to do with overlanding, from trip planning to videography to, a lot of Xterra type stuff. So if you're an Xterra guy or girl, click that subscribe button below to be notified when new videos drop. And if you liked the video, click like. And like I said, comment down below, man. I love talking with you guys. I do not profess to be any sort of an expert or anything like that. I'm just a guy, but I enjoy chatting with you guys. I learn from you guys, and I hope that you guys can learn something from me. So thanks again for stopping by, and have a good one.